Hey, hi, you're watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do message from your person reading. Okay, you have 3 piles to choose from. This is pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. You can pause the video and meditate on the stones and choose whichever attracts you the most. Okay, so I'm going to do the reading. So, those who chose this white stone, you are up. So, message from your person, pile number 1. Okay. I'll pull 3 cards from one deck. Okay, this is the past energy, present energy, and future energy of your person. So somebody was thinking about you stably, but though they were stable, they have not chart out any future plans regarding what to do with you at that time. Okay, it's very much bright. So I will a little bit. Okay, now I hope you can see these cards. It's very bright today. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Okay, and at present they are showing off that they are but very in a good position without you. Okay, they are well off, not only monetary wise, emotionally also. Okay, and the future energies that they will continue to show off, and that you are not worth what you think about, worthy of what you think about yourself. Okay, so they will show off that they are superior, far superior in every regard to you. Okay, that's your person's energy. I'm not liking, though I'm not liking this energy, but we will have to bear this until the reading. Okay, so somebody was stable, but they have not chart out what to do with this relationship regarding like marriage and some other stuff, to introduce with you with their parents and to move ahead in this relationship. And right now they are also showing off that they are better off without you, and in future they will quarrel in a manner like they will try to subdue you or downplay your image, not staining it, but they will show off that they are far better, so they are single. You need to improve your status, your anything like looks, your like etiquettes, behavior, attitude, or something. You need to raise yourself. They will show off that. So, and you will have to bear this energy for a while until and unless something great happens in between you two. So let me take some other cards. So what I was saying has came in the card. Okay, it already came. Okay, one extra card came, so I'm taking it. Okay, so don't daydream, see the reality. If you are not seeing the reality that your person doesn't give a damn to you and your emotion, you need to see that first. And spiritual success will come from learning the lesson, not repeating it. Means here I'm trying to say that emotional contentment and soul growth will come only if you will accept things as they are and learn the lesson. You need to respect yourself. Okay, again came that you should accept the reality, see things, accept things as they are. Okay, so mental peace will come, is required in this relationship. For that you need to do meditation, work on your emotional part. Okay, and head over hard decision is required. Whenever you will take decision, no, I'm not going to take any disgust from this person's part, and it's enough, it is enough. They are not going to respect me, then I am moving ahead alone in my life. So that kind of decision, some strict decision is required, and mourning over past will not give anything to you. Okay, you need to recorrect things. If you are guilty or whoever is guilty needs to recorrect things. Okay, this extra card came, which is advising you again, let them learn and come. You can't play their role. Okay, so let me check out their energy, what they want to say, but they are not saying out of ego. Okay, your person is showing off. It's showing, all the cards are showing that your person is a bit egoistic person. Okay, so you will have to bear them for a while, not too much. If you feel like your person is some kind of foolish guy, but out of emotional blindness, you can also consider them as full, and might be they are narcissist and they are playing with your emotion. They want you to bend each and every time. That might be a case. Okay, so you will have to check yourself first. Don't check others. Don't judge others before judging yourself. But don't judge yourself in a harsh manner. Think about your situation distantly, means like a third person, like a judge, that you don't belong. You are not anybody to yourself. Be a third person, unknown person to yourself, your condition and your case. Then check if you are wrong or right. Okay, so I'm taking their messages. So not in good place without you. That's what they are saying. I want to kiss you, but in an open place. Okay, tell me my place in your life. It's easy to pretend. See, this card came, but impossible to stay without you. Okay, to be without you, never let you go. My God, this person loves you, but he's just playing with you. Don't know what to do. They are confused. That's why they are behaving otherwise, acting otherwise. Okay, can I meet you? They're asking, can I meet you? But might be an ego issue that is restraining them. Let's get lost, flew away with me. I need you. They want some calm place where nobody's there to stay with you and spend some time. Yes, after some time, they are going to do something for you. Okay, not in love. Go. I have given you enough. Oh, they're saying I'm not. Again, they're quarreling. I'm not in love, and I'm better without you. I have given you enough. Might be they are angry with you because you have not done much in this relationship. Okay, there is nobody in between us. Believe me, they are saying, and they are saying they miss you. Okay, and trust or it's over. Might be there's, oh my God, there's huge obstacle. Okay, and they are hoping that you will call them someday, but they might start fighting with you. That's also a situation. Longing for you for a long time. Will I ever get you? If time slips, you will regret. Okay, I respect you, but I'm mad about you. That's why I behave like that. And they are saying, yes, if you have any question, I want to hold you. Okay, long time, long gone. Why expecting now? Might be your relation is so old. I respect you really. Okay, cards are coming up. So I'm stopping this because your person wants to talk you alone a lot. Means might be your relationship is older than, very much older. Might be 10 or many years. Okay, I can't live without you. Persevere, because something is in the womb of the future. Okay, so I was not going to draw so many cards. Oh my God, I have drawn so many cards. Okay, so I hope you got your answer over here, that your person is very much stubborn. They are not behaving, but you can think that they will do something for you in the future. Right now there is nothing like that. My God, I've drawn 19 cards just of message. So 20 cards. Okay, so I will try to pull this much card in the second pile. Otherwise he will think that people will think that I'm doing some partiality. Okay, so are you getting me? Your person was stable, but they didn't thought about marriage. Though they have very much bottom of the deck. They feel like you as their husband or wifey. Like they feel like that. But they decided at that time that how to approach towards marriage. Okay, and due to that you lose trust on them, and things gone wrong, and then they in despite their fault. Okay, they didn't beg your pardon, and they started acting otherwise, that I'm well without you, and they started even to subdue you, to show like you are nothing. So you saw entirely different part of their behavior, the other side of the coin, from too much politeness to so much egoistic behavior, and that broke your heart. You are not in a good place, and it's been a long time them behaving, and they are behaving in that manner from long time, and you are fed up of all this. You are questioning your relationship, and you think, should I stay or move on? And your person has a lot of emotion. There is better chances, but they are saying that they will do something for you because they can't live without you. They respect you, but they did out of madness, and they are expecting your call. Though I'm sensing that they will fight, because they think that it's a long time, long gone. Okay, and they are saying that you will regret if time slips, and they want to touch you, kiss you, hug you, but obstacle is they think from your part, but you know it's from their part because of their ego. And might be you are some person who is very much shy, and you don't believe or trust very fastly, so that triggered their ego, and so they did this out of their ego, and that cost your prestige. Okay, so though they are not in good place. They will never, they think they can't let you go, but they don't know how to approach you, what to do. They want to have courtship, kiss, hug, holding, everything, but they think they have done enough for you. Though they are assuring that there is nobody in between you, and they want to meet you, but they want you to tell their place in your life, and they want you to flew away, to run away with them, to spend time calmly in some calm place with them, long time, like vacation, and just like nobody is there, and you are just spending and your time into each other. Okay, they are just pretending that they don't miss you, but the reality is that they are missing you. They are saying that possible because after some time they are going to do something great for you, but the obstacle is they think that you, and they are saying that you don't trust them. So if you will not trust them, you will lose them. Okay, you have this reading for you. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. I think you got your answer, that your person is egoistic, though they love you. So you will have to wait for your person to change, to do something for you, to so you should have a healthy boundary between your person and you, in terms of don't beg in front of your person who is not behaving with you in a good manner. At the same time, don't mistrust your person. Okay, wait for time to change. Okay, that's all for your pile 1. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Okay, so pile number 2, those who chose this black stone, you are up. Let me shuffle cards. Okay, it was shuffled, but this time, and since I'm not using many decks, I am only using 4 decks. So I'm okay. So my lords. Okay, so somebody was showing off superiority in the past. Might be you felt emotional pull towards someone. They felt the same, but they didn't propose to you. You were waiting and waiting, and good thing is they are also waiting and waiting, but bad thing is things are not moving ahead. They have stable emotion for you. They will have stable emotion for you, but they are wondering if they can marry you or have some serious relationship with you or not, because this person is expecting but showing off, but have emotion, but they don't know how to move ahead with this emotion towards you. Okay, so let me pull some other cards. So it's, since your person was showing off, you didn't like that. Okay, but you were expecting, and now they are expecting that you should do something for them. Okay, and they don't know right now. They have stable emotion for you, but since there is a stalemate in between you two, so they don't know what to do with this relationship. Okay, so okay, don't worry, I'm taking these cards. Okay, last deck also, 1 extra came, and right now also here 3. I pull cards when I feel drawn. I pull extra card whenever I feel drawn to do so. Okay, mourning over past will not do anything great to you or your relationship. Whoever you or your person is guilty, they need to recorrect things. Okay, and you need to know yourself first. Soul searching is required. If you are wrong, you need to recorrect things, and for that you will have to do soul searching. And if your person is guilty, has done something wrong, they need soul searching. Okay, God will protect your happiness. Okay, God is willing to provide you all the happiness you deserve, whether with this person or without that person, because here a card came that pain will teach them your value, or else time will. Okay, there is nothing in your hands except waiting, because if they are wrong, they need to recorrect things, and if they will not do it in time, might be situation will change and tables will turn, then they will not be able to recorrect things, and that will be a lesson for them. However, your relationship might get might face an ending, but you will be happy somewhere else, or God will, since God is deserving to provide you happiness, whether of your kind, means what you want or anyhow. So if you there will be blessing on your side in as per your will, okay, not as per God's will. Might be God become too much happy on you and protect your happiness with this person, then they will be able to know their fault before the finish line, okay. Are you getting me? So they have grief, okay. Whoever is guilty has grief. They know that they are guilty, okay. But there is someone or something alluring on the way. Might be your ex or your person whom you are talking about you this time, and for whom you are watching this video. Might be he is your ex, or he's apart from you, separated, and he is coming back, but you will have to check his intentions, okay. Before resurrection, things need to be healed, okay. Healing is required, and if you will learn your lessons, then you will get emotional and spiritual success only after that lesson being learned, okay. Introspection is required. Choose, analyze things wisely, and don't give everything to someone who is not deserving, okay. Some undeserving person. That's why that something or someone alluring card came. That means that you get allured by your person, though he is not willing to change. He can offer you something and you get trapped in that offer. So you need to first check the intentions, okay. Because bottom of card deck is Two of Cups. That means they love you, but love and respect should go hand in hand, okay. I don't know your person, what kind of person you have, so I can tell you. You better you know that what kind of person is your person, okay. So you need to think about your person, what kind of person he is. You need to check their intentions, what do they want from you, why they are back, okay. And after that only you can think and decide what to do with that person and their offer. And if you don't have clarity about the situation, please hold things, pause, take a pause, give some time, 3 or 4 months. Whatever the truth is, it will come in front of you. Don't hasten things, because life changes just in one decision. Life can be a hell or heaven, only your discretion, on your discretion, okay. Whatever you will want to make your life will be like that only, okay. Are you getting me? So let me check your person's energy, what they want to tell you. Lots of messages, okay. Okay, trust me, or it's over, I want to hold you. Yes, okay, I don't know what to do, I'm sorry for what I did, okay. I have given you enough, okay. And just after some time, never let you go, long time long gone, okay. Why you are expecting anything from me? I miss you, persevere, okay. Let's spend some time. I need your consent to move forward. Respect or go away. Might be you offended them, they want that you offended them, so you need to heal them, okay. Their arrogance is fake, okay. They are saying they respect you, why you are not respecting them? That's hurting them, okay. Hope you will call me someday. I want to kiss you. There is struggle. And that struggle is just because of you. They are saying it's been very long time that they have wanted you, but they are not getting you. Will they ever get you? Okay. They are questioning, okay. I think you got all what your person wants to tell you. That might be you disrespected your person and they respect you a lot. Might be you got them wrong, okay. You thought they don't respect you, but they're telling you that they respect you, and rather they are saying that you don't respect them. And why it is like that, they are not getting that. So that's creating a conflict, okay. They want to come back, and they're saying they will definitely come back, and they're saying they are not in good place without you. They are saying there is obstacle, struggle, but that is just because of that madness they hold for you, okay. And they want to meet you. They can't live without you. They want to see you. My God, this person is in a very bad place, okay. And they want to know their place in your life, okay. They want you to allow them to love you, okay. They hate you, but they love you, okay. they want to come close to you, but they want to know, they want your consent. Okay, so that's why they are behaving that they don't know you. I have pulled too many cards. Okay, I'm stopping that here. You need to, some might be some third party influence have created problem in between you two. Okay, so you need to know that who is the one who has done such a, has created such a situation. Might be someone else is interested in you, so you need to check that person around you. So I have pulled too many cards, so I'm stopping it. So I hope you understood what I was telling you about the person, that the person was not proposing you, but they are still waiting for you, and they don't know where this relationship is heading, and only mourning over the past will not do anything. Whoever is guilty needs to clear the air, needs to just recorrect things, and they need soul searching. Believe in God, that God will help you, protect your happiness, and you need to learn your lesson, because whoever has done some wrong to their person is guilty, and they need only a shock, that is pain or something, that will force them to think about this situation, and they will introspect, and they will come with an offer. But you need to check that in the intention of the person coming with that offer, and you know that your person loves you a lot, they miss you, but the conflict, reason of the conflict is some issue of respect. Somebody doesn't respect the person, and that has created this problem. Okay, so trust is required in this relation. So that's all for pile number 2. You got your answer, and there are a lot of messages that are confirming that your person who loves you, but out of some ego issues or some past issues, like somebody, either you or they, felt offended, and somebody intentionally or unintentionally hurt somebody's ego or self-respect. Somebody feels defensive, and due to that hurt, they are showing off, and they are showing off that they are far superior than the other one. Ultimately, they are trying to show that they respect them, whether you, the one who is hurt, is showing that they respect themselves, no matter the other one doesn't. Okay. So your person, and due to this, the person who has been hurt hates as well as loves their person. They want to come back, or it's, since this message is from your person, they want to come back, they want to show you affection, they are sorry for what they did to you, but at the same time they want to know their place in your life. They want you to trust them, they want you to heal them, they want you to respect them. Okay, then, and they want to meet you, they want to know what you want with them in future. Literally, they want your consent to move forward in life, in this relationship, and after a few times they will definitely appear with some solid offer, or they will just try to come back, but you need to trust them with the, and try not to offend them or repeat same mistakes, or if they have done so, you will have to be aware that they do not disrespect or offend you once again. Okay, so that's all from your reading, pile number 2. Hope you got your answer and all the message required for you in this reading. If you liked my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, so that's all for your pile number 2. I'm moving ahead towards the pile number 3. Those who chose this red stone. Okay. Okay. So pile number 3. No matter what, you should know whatever reading I'm providing is for your guidance, and it's direct message. What energy I'm picking up, it's for all of you, and it may completely resonate with you or partially. So take whatever resonates, because I'm not going towards a single side. I'm taking both sides. Guilty might be you or your person, so I'm not, my reading is not biased. I have a balanced reading. You will not, nor you, nor your person is going to be offended by this reading, because cross watchers also will not get offended. Why? Because I am not doing any partiality in my reading. You can soul search, check your good and bad things. Okay, so there is nothing for me to say over here. Cards are saying I'm not adding anything from my part. Okay, so pile number 3, your reading is up. Okay, this is your okay. So you can see you have this. Let me place it in the right place. Okay, so you have Knight of Cups, King of Wands, and Seven of Cups. So as you can see, somebody somebody was emotional towards, somebody felt some emotional pull towards someone. They got attracted to someone, either you or your person. Since I'm reading about your person, so I'm taking that your person was attracted towards you, and yeah, it's their reading. Okay, so your person was attracted towards you, and then they, right now also, they are feeling hugely passionate towards you. Means a passion like to spend a life with you. Okay, that kind of passion is in their heart for you right now. And but future is surrounded by some confusion which needs to be clear. Okay, so I'm going to check why this confusion is over here. Okay, but the matter is, your person loved you. Okay, it was initially good feelings, and they didn't got why they are feeling so pulled towards you. They were feeling very romantic towards you, and right now they are feeling very much passionate. They feel like they can't overcome your attraction, your passion, the desire to get you. Okay, but they're confused. They seem to be confused in the future, and the reason could be that they want, since the bottom of the deck is 10 of cups, means they want a happy family life with you or emotional fulfillment with you. That means this person wants literally everything, because they are feeling so much highly towards you that they can't think even anything else about other than you. Okay, so they are thinking about you hugely. So let me clarify. Okay, 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 okay. One card, two card. I'm drawn to take three more cards. Okay, I do so. Okay, because whenever I feel pulled towards drawing more card, I do so. So your mourning over past will not make things right. You will have to, whoever is guilty needs to recorrect things. Okay, and see, this marriage card came. Resurrection of a past love affair will lead to happy married life. Okay, okay. Are you getting me? This is a love from past. Already you are in relationship. You both know that you love each other, but due to some mistake, there is some delay or distance in between you two, and resurrection is on the horizon, and which will lead to marriage. Okay, only few can, since there is marriage card, so I'm saying 100% people will get married. I don't know, but since card is here, then I can say that 100% people, whoever is seeing, might luckily end up marrying each other. But luck is luck, behavior is behavior. You can create or destroy your luck, you or your person can. So you will have to check your behaviors in terms of actions. Okay, so love, here it is advisable that let love come out or ego will surface. Means you don't, first the guilty one should confess their love. Otherwise the one who had got offended will be offended once again, because the other person either doesn't respect their person or have a huge ego. Okay, so introspection is required. Analyze things, or you will end up giving everything to somebody undeserving. Okay, so head over, for that reason, head over heart decision is required. Don't get emotional before taking any decision. Okay, and mental peace, for your mental peace you need to just meditate. You need huge peace. Okay, peace is required in your relationship. I'm feeling that both of you are not in peace, but people show that they are very happy without each other, but literally in reality they are not happy. So there is a grief card, mental blockage. Either the one who is guilty has created a mental blockage for them, that is stopping them to achieve success in this relationship. And the one who is hurt should see this reality, ground reality, that they have been offended and they can be offended in future as well. So they need to protect their self-respect. Okay, love and relationship comes hand in hand. I repeat again and again these words, okay? You can't compensate anything with other thing, okay? If there is respect, then love can survive. Only without a love, without respect, doesn't survive, okay? So let me pull out some cards. Message from your person. Okay, so message from your person is talking you, okay? There is nobody in between you two. They want you to hold them. They want to say that it is easy to pretend that I'm fine without you, but I can't live without you. I want my answer. They are saying, should this stay or move ahead in life? And they want you to win them back, okay? They are saying they have given enough, now it's your turn, okay? They want you to let them love you, okay? And they feel that the obstacle is you in this relationship. The obstacle is you, not them, because you are creating some blockage, because you are not letting them to love you, and they want to kiss you openly. They want to come back. If you will not do anything for them, then it's done from their part. They want to say respect or go away. They want you to respect them, and for not respecting them, they hate you, okay? They hate you for that. They want to come close, okay? They have waited for you very long, and they are longing for you for a long time being, and they are saying that will this they want to say that will this wait period will end ever? They're questioning, and they want to say trust or it's over, okay? Are you getting me? Somebody offended their person, they don't trust their person. This same thing came in pile number 2, I think so. Trust issues, disrespect, okay? and due to that, some blockage, grief, okay? Okay, so I need to pull some more card, okay? You will regret if time slips by. They are saying that it's a long time to expect something from this relationship, and after some time something could happen, but they are not in good place without you, and they are saying maybe in the next birth we can unite, because they don't believe that it is possible to get you again, to win you back, or they feel if you have offended them, they feel like that you are not going to win them back. So maybe next birth will be for your meeting without any obstacle. You will meet, they think so, but they miss you a lot. It's very pitiful condition. I'm not liking this reading, but what to do? This happened. Somebody wants you badly, but this relationship has got spoiled, and due to that, your person is feeling mental blockage. The one who has offended the person is feeling mental blockage. They want to touch them, hold them. They want the person, whoever is guilty, to win them back, but they feel that it's not possible. It's not in their luck, so they feel like that it will not happen. So they feel like maybe in the next birth something good happen, some peaceful resolution will happen, but they feel like it is not possible in this birth. They feel like that it will have to take they will have to take one more birth to have a peaceful resolution with you, because the one who has got offended feels at the same time that it's, or the one who has offended the person, or the one who has got offended feels like that the other person is not going to do anything for them. It's long time gone, their person is not doing anything for them, so they have lose hope in this relationship, okay? They love their person, but they know that they feel like that it's not in their luck, okay? However, they want is happy ending with their person, okay? So not happy with this reading, but hope for the best, because your person loves you, but there is very much blockage. I don't know what to say, because see, this is the best card over in this reading, okay? This card proves that this card and this card, resurrection leading to marriage. Best card for you are these two, okay? That this person already feels like your counterpart. They already are married, in them mentally married to you, okay? And if this resurrection happens, marriage will lead to marriage. Only this blockage is no contact, okay? Once the contact happens, and peaceful contact, okay, not fighting, okay. So that will lead to a happy married life, okay. So that's all for you in this reading. Though I'm not delighted with this reading, but I must say that this reading teaches you a lot, that communication is a very big thing in a relationship. Only the one who is guilty has created a self restriction, okay, mental blockage. Once this, I don't know how to manage it, but a good friend could arrange or manage to make you talk once again without fight. Peaceful talk is required, otherwise it will mess things once again, okay. So a happy resolution, for a happy resolution, peaceful talk is required. Once a talk will happen in between you two, ultimately the guilty will say sorry, because they are not egoistic, they are just self-protective, okay. So you will ultimately end up having a happily married life, happily ever after with your person, okay. I'm seeing lots of hope in this relationship. I can see lots of love in this relationship, but only blockage is creating. It will this blockage could end up this relationship forever. This no contact can create a disaster, okay, in your life. So you will have to check what to do. If you are a guy, please try to contact your person, okay. If you are a girl, seek a friend's help. Without, no, I don't know what to say. For girls, I will never advise anything, okay, because that person might spread rumors, and it's not healthy for girls. I don't know what to say, but the guy, either you or your person, should take a step, or the guilty must take a step to recorrect things, okay. That's all for you, pile number 3. Hope you got your answer. If you got your answer, if you are satisfied with this reading, please subscribe this channel. If you like my reading, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, okay. Please do like, share, subscribe, okay. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe. That's all for this reading, okay. Thank you, goodbye. Watch you in my next reading. Until then, goodbye.